Our never-ending quest for authentic Italian food has led us straight to the inviting door of Entrata in Glenhaven in Sydney's northwest.
Being Italian is all about food and love. A friendly smile at the front door, beautiful food cooked with love and passion, with fresh ingredients. We source most of our ingredients locally and we really focus on seasonal produce as well. Chef Jomel really has a passion for Italian cooking and you can see that and taste it in the food. From thinking about a dish to preparing, plating and cooking and creates love on a plate. What I want customers to feel at Entrata is a sense of being a part of our family. There's nothing more satisfying when a customer leaves with a smile on their face or giving us a kiss on the cheek when they walk out the door. That's what we're about here at Entrata. We're about family and love.
And there's nothing like a sweet spoonful of Chef Panna Cotta to taste that love in every bite.